Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on developing a robust multi-step form with dynamic data validation in React Hook Form and Yup. If you've ever been frustrated by cumbersome single-page forms, you'll appreciate the benefits of breaking down your form into manageable logical steps. In this video, you'll learn how to create a smooth, user-friendly experience by implementing seamless step transitions, async validation, and real-time error feedback. These techniques are vital in enhancing user input handling for complex web applications, making your forms not only more efficient, but also more engaging. Stick around to understand how these methods can significantly improve user experience in real-world applications like e-commerce checkouts, user registrations, and surveys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in web development. Let's dive right in and tackle the challenges of modern form handling with confidence. Let's explore the core concepts that power our multi-step form. Starting with React Hook Form, this library provides a flexible, efficient way to manage form state and validation in React applications. By leveraging uncontrolled components, React Hook Form minimizes re-renders and boosts performance, making it ideal for building scalable forms. Next, we have Yup, a powerful schema builder for parsing and validating values, which complements React Hook Form perfectly. Yup allows us to define complex validation logic, supporting various data types, conditional validations, and nested objects. This is crucial for implementing dynamic data validation, where form fields are validated based on changing conditions or user inputs. Multi-step forms divide a single form into multiple sections or pages, enhancing user experience by making the form feel less overwhelming. Seamless transitions between these steps ensure users do not lose data or become frustrated. Moreover, async validation is essential when validations require server interaction, such as checking for unique usernames. React Hook Form handles these asynchronous functions in the validation pipeline smoothly. Finally, real-time error feedback improves form completion rates by providing immediate feedback to users, helping them correct any issues instantly. Together, these elements create a comprehensive system that addresses the complexities of modern form handling. Now, let's dive into a practical code example to see how these concepts come together. We'll be focusing on the implementation of our multi-step form using React Hook Form and Yup. We'll explore the setup and configuration of our form structure across multiple components. Our main file, app.js, orchestrates the form's step transitions and validation logic. Let's break down the critical parts of this file. Let's walk through a demonstration of our multi-step form in action. As we begin, the form prompts the user to fill in their first name and last name. After clicking Next, the form dynamically transitions to the next step, where the user is asked to enter their email and password. The form validates these inputs in real time, ensuring any errors are immediately apparent. Upon clicking Next again, the form proceeds to the age input section, continuing the seamless user experience. Finally, the form displays a review section, summarizing all the entered information and allowing for any necessary corrections. This smooth, intuitive flow highlights the power of our multi-step form implementation in React Hook Form and Yup. To wrap up, we've successfully built a robust multi-step form with dynamic data validation using React Hook Form and Yup. This approach not only enhances user experience with seamless step transitions and real-time error feedback, but also ensures a high level of form accuracy and efficiency. By implementing these techniques, you're equipped to tackle complex form requirements in modern web applications, whether for e-commerce checkouts, user registrations, or surveys. As you continue to refine your skills, don't forget to experiment and expand upon this example, perhaps adding new features or improving the UI. We encourage you to share your enhancements in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to accelerate your learning curve with clear, practical tutorials that bring real-world applications to your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.